Okay, hello guys, Chinedu is my name. I want to show you guys how you can replace your microwave on the bottom panel, because if you turn the light on, it's not coming on. That means the bulb is dead. So I'm going to show you guys how you can replace it. When you come here, there is a panel here which has a screw. You just have to use a screwdriver and unscrew it. Then you take it out. When you take it out, then there is a bulb right here. You have to unscrew the bulb. You can see the bulb. So I already got another bulb from the store, but unfortunately it's not the actual size. It's not the same size. It's not the same size, but the element is the same thing. The screw is the same thing. So it doesn't really matter the size of the bulb. As far as they have the same bottom, it's gonna work. So let me show you. Then you just go here, you put it, and then you screw it back. You can see. Yay! It comes on. Then, so this is the cover of the bulb. Because this is like where the whole smoke is going, so it might probably be dirty. So you have to just clean it. But this is not something you take care of all the time. Just clean it to make sure it's bright. When you put back the bulb, so you can see how good it looks. And put it back here. Put it back. Then put back the screw. And you screw it back. You can see when you turn the light on, it comes very bright. On. It's very bright. You can see how it looks. So this go to the trash. This is how you can change your bulb. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video. Meet me on my next video. Thank you.